Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to add Google Photos to the Facebook. You have to start by open Facebook and make sure that you sign in into your account. If you sign in another account, just add your. Then you can hide the Facebook, open Google Photos application, and now select the photo what you want to add to the Facebook. Let's say this one. Click at the share. If you select multiple photos, you will have share. Also at the left bottom, so share. And right here we have application list. If you have iPhone, you need to move to the left. On Android, you need to move to the down, and you will have it here. So we need to scroll to the left, click at the more, but if you see the Facebook here at the application list, click on it, but I don't have it, so more. And right here we need to find Facebook. Click on it. And now add it to the feed, story, or groups. Let's say I want to add it to the story, so click at the story, and then share. And we just did it. So we need to wait a bit, and this story posted. So we have this photo here. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!